Hi everyone, today we're checking out something new on our channel. Actually, I received a text message from my brother and he told me to check out GOJIRA's performance in the Olympics. Now, I have no idea who GOJIRA is.
We don't know them. Yeah.
But I read they are a French heavy metal band, and he's a big fan of GOJIRA.
Yeah.
So
And
I don't know.
apparently they are crashing the whole thing, the internet right now, and we don't know.
Yeah,
We're gonna be checking
but my
them out.
brother knows and he told me to check it out. So this one's for you, and actually it's for us because we are curious to know about them. So
Are you ready? I'm ready.
Let's check it out.
Here we go.
Ça ira. Les aristocrates à la lanterne. Ça ira. Les aristocrates, on les pendra.
Ooh. Wow.
Wow. Wait. I know it's my fault, I stopped it, but I'm not used to the heavy metal genre, so it's actually my first time. But I wanted to ask, the fires are real or?
The fire?
Are real?
I don't know. I
Okay, just
actually
take it
couldn't
back.
keep up.
Yeah,
Can
take
we
it
take
back.
it? Yeah.
I
we
want
have
to take it in.
And what about the decapitated woman? at the
I think he
beginning?
told me you're
Oof.
gonna see someone decapitated because I'm afraid of horror. So I told him if there's anything, weird.
For you to
So
be
he
prepared.
told me she's Marie Antoinette, Antoinette Marie. I don't know if she's...
Ah, the queen.
I don't know
Ah,
who
they are
she-
French. Okay, okay.
Ça ira. Les aristocrates à la lanterne.
Aristocrates.
Ça ira. Les aristocrates, on les pendra.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
That shouldn't have ended like that.
Okay. Wow. Thank you for recommending it. I'm gonna give you a hug when I see you. I don't know where to start, but I can see myself listening to heavy metal more often because I love it. Just takes the anger out of me, like
Yeah, like
makes me
the adrenaline you
rage.
get, like the adrenaline you get. Yeah, you feel like you wanna. Yeah, but I have
This
a lot
apart-
to talk about. Oof.
Yeah. Apart from that, you want to say?
No, you can go ahead. Yeah.
I love the spectacle. Okay, I felt like they are doing a play. It's not just the metal playing. There are. This boat was passing by, and then everything, the castle. I felt like they are doing a play of some sort. I don't know, maybe in French Revolution, because Antoinette Marie, she's. The
I wanted to
queen.
talk to you about that in the
Uh,
end, the way they threw the red confetti and the firework
yeah.
and everything, like the blood red flew away from the building, and I felt like, could it be like meaning that blood
A depiction
shed,
of
the
something
bloodshed,
of
you
some
know?
sort. It has to be historical because
Yeah.
at first there were fire and then the boat and then I don't know. I will read about it. Maybe my brother can tell me.
Yeah,
about
like
it.
the
Yeah,
boat
gotta do it.
for the water and the fire.
But
the
overall, I
flame.
truly loved it.
I truly loved it. Yeah, I love the way they merged. Like we have heavy metal, the drumming, immaculate drumming.
This is for me. I think this is for me. I haven't discovered this yet, but I think this is my cup of tea.
Yeah. I would
Gojira.
have preferred a better quality in the audio and
I
everything.
couldn't
you
find
know?
anything
Yeah, we
on
couldn't
YouTube.
find
It's
a
on
better.
Reddit. I think it was sent as a link.
Yeah.
But it was
But
truly
the way they
amazing.
merged, yeah, the heavy metal and the
Yeah. Just
opera.
imagine yourself
and
there, just watching it live.
the
It would be so
adrenaline, and now you're
amazing.
ready to go kill the Olympic. Yeah, like.
I'm
wow.
happy.
Beautiful.
I did it for my brother, but actually it gave me some,
Yeah. How about we
Beautiful
check more
feelings.
Gojira?
maybe,
Yeah.
if you guys want
Yeah.
and my brother wants.
If you know them, you can drop a few recommendations in the comment. Yeah,
I loved it. Whoop!
We can. Man, I feel pumped. But now
Yeah, me
we're
too.
gonna have to wrap it up. For any recommendation, make sure to drop down a comment below and don't forget to like the video.
And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.